Renu SB Creation Software Private Limited is one of the top professional IT firms in Eastern India. We take great pride in providing comprehensive technology for all your solutions to meet all your IT business needs as well. With our expertise in software solutions and web and development and digital media marketing, we strive to deliver exceptional services that empower businesses that thrive in this digital age. Today we are here because we have been awarded as one of the best IT companies by Ministry of Education by the Central Government of India. And we are celebrating this today with all of you here, so thank you first of all for being here. This firm was founded in 2005 and since then it has gone a very long and complicated way to reach where we are today. Over the years, we have had the privilege of working with esteemed clients across various industries. Notably, we have successfully tied up with the state government and the central government as well. We have talented and dedicated team of individuals and professionals. We have an extensive portfolio of past projects and hundreds of testimonials from happy clients. Sharing our wisdom and creating opportunities for businesses is what challenges and excites us. We customize our clients' software based on their needs. We make sure that you get the software that you want to have and that you would love. We provide you with the highest level of service and with a very quick turnaround, and our work speaks for itself. This is your one-stop place to find all that you need and to take your company to the next level. Now I would like to start today's session by calling our esteemed dignitaries. I would like to request to put your hands together for them to come up on stage. I would like to invite Mr. Bishwajit Biswas, the Director of Renu SB Creation Software Private Limited. Mr. Bishwajit Biswas is a graduate in computer science and has been very inclined towards being an entrepreneur from the beginning. Progress for him has never been a dream. He always wanted to push his company to more prosperous milestones. More than being a global pair, he has always perceived his company as a unit that could make a difference with its quality of products and its competitive pricing. Overcoming the challenges and with the support of his brilliant team, he has been successful in bringing Renu SB Creation to a new milestone and global recognition. Next, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Chief Guest, Mr. Ranendra Narayan Datta, Vice President of Strategy, SB Creation. Mr. Datta has more than 20 years of experience in software engineering, consulting and several CMM Level 5 and Fortune 500 companies. He helps in defining SB Creation's corporate strategy with his knowledge and his expertise. He is responsible for the strategic planning with strong focus and quality, data-driven analysis. Being familiar with the handling startups, his guidance and motivation of digital transformation has helped SB Creation to achieve the success that it always achieved for. He is also the Vice President of Software Engineering Company and oversees operations of an US-based software and service company. He has been instrumental in the building of this company and his service platform to scratch, and he's built it from scratch and managing his operation overseas.